What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you how to write the molecular formula or chemical formula of magnesium nitrate, and then I want to show you how to calculate the molar mass or molecular weight of magnesium nitrate. So magnesium is Mg, it belongs to group 2, so it's going to be 2 plus here. Nitrate is polyatomic ion and it is NO3 and -1 is the charge. So we can write it as Mg NO3. 2 is going to sit here, 1 is going to sit here, so it's going to be Mg NO3 2. So that's the magnesium nitrate. Now I want to find out the molar mass or molecular weight of this compound. So what I can do, I list all the elements here: Mg, N, and O, magnesium, nitrogen, and oxygen. And then I need to find out the atomic mass of each of these compounds, each of these elements from the periodic table. So we have 24.305. For nitrogen I have 14.007 and oxygen is 15.999. How many atoms of magnesium we have? We have just 1. How many atoms of nitrogen we have? We have 2. And how many atoms of oxygen we have? 2 times 3, which is 6. So 1 times 24.305. 2 times 14.007 is 28.014, and 6 times 15.999 is 95.994. Then you add them all. $148.314. That's the total, so which is going to be 148.313 grams per mole. That's the molar mass or molecular weight of magnesium nitrate. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.